Madami ka na bang ginawa na manifestations? Nagpa-prosperity spell ka na, pero parang wala nangyayari? There could be some blockage. Let's talk about that. So, maraming tao kasi parang gumagawa kayo, di ba, ng mga manifestations nyo, ginagamit nyo yung mga wishing spells, magamit kayo ng mga rune symbols, nagdodrawing kayo sa mga kamay nyo. It's all part ng mga manifestations for prosperity and blessings. Pero bakit hindi madalas hindi nangyayari or walang impact? Possible there are blockages. Possible may mga negative energies na pumipigil para ma-achieve mo or makuha mo yung minamanifest mo. So what can we do about it ba? Okay, one way to help with that is through banishing spell. Banishing and healing. Actually, it's a combination. Hindi pwedeng isa lang. Why? What is banishing? Simple lang naman ang banishing eh. It's the removal of the negative energies within you, around you, at yung binabato sa'yo. That includes the evil eyes. Pero bakit kailangan ng healing? Simple lang. May tinanggal tayo, kailangan may kapalit. Hindi pwedeng void lang yon. Because in this life, hindi pwedeng may void. And remember the concept of yin-yang, as above, so below. If there is negativity that was removed, kailangan papalitan to ng healing. Now, healing, hindi lang naman ito yung tungkol sa physical eh. There are different types of healing. Mental healing, financial healing, spiritual healing. Of course, it includes physical healing and the whole 9 yards. That's why it's important that we have our regular banishing and healing. Well, if you're interested about it, and you feel na parang kailangan mo talaga din ng banishing with all the negativities, you can message me. So, ano ba ang pwedeng maging impact neto sa'yo after you have your banishing and your healing? Malisimik kayo, siya na lang. Well, once banishing is done kasi para sa'yo, one thing na mararamdaman mo, this is in general na feedback ng mga clients ko, is andun nakakaramdam sila una-una ng parang paggaan ng loob nila. They have more clarity, magkakaroon sila ng clarity ng pag-iisip, and mas nakikita nila ako na yung mga bagay na nagpapahirap sa kanila or nagbibigay ng negative energies. Another impact that banishing may bring to your life is andyan na makikita mo may mga taong tatanggalin sa life mo. Bakit? Sila kasi yung nagdadala ng negative. Sila yung source ng blockage mo. Another impact, this is based on my experience and feedback from my clients. Sometimes, after banishing, kusang dumarating yung prosperity na matagal nilang hinahanap. Yung opportunity sa kailangan nila na hindi nila kailangan tumuloy ng prosperity or road opening spell. Which is, nakasave ng oras para doon sa tao. Do you need banishing? Let's talk about it.